Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about RJ45 network connectors. RJ45 network connectors are widely used in various fields such as aviation, military, and industry. First, when choosing an RJ45 connector, the primary reference factor is the electrical parameters. Second, the second thing to consider is rated voltage, also known as the working voltage. Please refer to this picture for details. Then the withstand voltage index, that is the electric strength index, is one of the factors that must be considered. Finally, in order to ensure its reliability and reduce such failures, in addition to rated voltage, the rated current also needs to be considered. Okay, all for today. See you next time. Bye!